Do 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 do. Oh? Egg! Mine! Uh-oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
Hello, Thomas.
Chew!
Hey?
Oh no, my egg! Do 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 do. Wow! Egg! No, Diesel, it's mine! Hey, I want it! Help me, Bruno! Ready? Go! Yes! Okay, Bruno, slow Thomas down! Huh? Why am I slowing down? Oh, what's going on? Sorry, Thomas, Diesel told me to do this. Haha, so long, Thomas, that egg is mine.
Huh? What was that?
Funling, please can you get that egg for me?
Sure thing, Diesel. There you go.
Thanks. Hold on. Ah, run away!
Wrong egg. He wanted this egg, but it's mine now. Huh? Ah! T-Rex! Oh no! Oh no!
Run! Where's the egg? There it is! Dinosaur! Ooh. Oops! Diesel, what's wrong? There's a dinosaur in the egg! Pfft, no there isn't. Ah, there's the egg. Huh? What was that noise? Uh-oh. T-Rex! Run! Oh no! Run away! T-Rex! Ooh. Oops! T-Rex? Yeah, over there! Oh, it's gone. Let's get that egg back. But T-Rex?
What's that, Sparky? Oh, an egg! Let's open it. Uh-oh, wrong spell! Sparky, help! Hey, don't run away. Nice, Rhino. Phew, run away!
Where did the egg go? Rhino! Whoa! Huh? Oh! Uh-oh. Nice, Rhino. Oh, it's the egg. The egg. Mine. Huh? No, it's getting away. Stop the boat. Boat, stop. Yeah, slow down. Whoa. Ooh. Thomas, Diesel, what are you doing? Thanks, Cranky. We're after the egg. Oh, well, someone else has it now.
Fire the cannon! Fire!
Oh, Cranky, help! I'll get it.
Huh? Hey, my egg!
Yes, thanks, Cranky. Thomas, wait. I've got the egg.
Yoink!
Huh? Hey,
You're forgetting something, Thomas.
it's my egg. Whoa. Huh? Fix it Funling, has it?
Yeah, because it's my egg. I had it first.
Oh, right. Sorry, Fix It Funling.
Well, you two tried so hard to catch it, you can open it. Ah, it's Groot.
I am Groot. I am Groot.
Yeah, Groot, it's you.
I am Groot.
No, you can't have it.
We'll get it back. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Looks like they're off on another adventure.